Welcome. The Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce presents one of the easiest ways to make money online. We will be using YouTube. You are going to see how insanely easy this is, as well as a little secret that you can use to make this even easier. If that is of interest to you, keep watching, and stay with me for your bonus, which is another way for you to make money from home. To give you an overview of what you can expect, you are about to see 6 steps that anyone can follow that will make you money on YouTube. You are going to see how you can legally use other people's videos on YouTube. The process is simple. Download videos, and upload them to YouTube. Before we jump into these steps, let's take a quick look at the money. I want you to see examples of this strategy. The strategy is called Faceless videos. It's called that because you never need to show your face. Lots of YouTube channels use the Faceless video strategy. They make staggering incomes, and that is what I want to share. I have taken us to a site called Social Blade. One of the things that Social Blade does is to rank YouTube video channels and to provide an estimated range of income. One of the channels that I want to share with you is Brightside. Brightside uses Faceless videos. On the left is a snapshot of what Social Blade has to say, on the right is Brightside's YouTube homepage. According to Social Blade, Brightside's income from YouTube is between $459,000 and $7.4 million per year. So that you can see that the Faceless video strategy is not a fluke, that it is a very profitable way to earn money, allow me to share a YouTube channel called Tool Items. According to Social Blade, YouTube pays this channel somewhere between $2 million and $32 million per year. How can you get started with the Faceless video strategy? Your first step is to create a YouTube channel. If you have any kind of a Google account, it is, literally, as easy as logging in. In order to make your channel look professional, you will want to create a logo and a YouTube banner. Canva is a free site that can help you to create any kind of image with ease. Step 2 is to choose your niche. Some of the most popular niches are health, wealth, self-improvement, and relationships. Choosing a niche that you like or love is always a good idea, and choosing one in which you have knowledge is highly recommended. Step 3 is getting your videos. Sites such as Pixabay, Pexels, and Mixkit are free, and have an almost inexhaustible supply of videos. In other words, you are not going to run out of content. You can legally use their videos on YouTube and there is no need for attribution. Another video site that I want to share is archive.org. It is free to use, their videos are public domain videos and the selection is huge. Archive.org is actually the reason for this video and the secret that I am about to share. Faceless videos are normally going to require time spent for editing and compilation. The secret is that most of the videos at archive.org are going to require little to no editing. An example of how this trick can work for you is that you can create an intro and an outro that you can use over and over. All you need to do is to put your video from archive.org in between. In fact, although an intro and outro are strongly recommended, they are not mandatory. You can actually use this trick to literally download and then re-upload to YouTube. If you need a video editor, Clipchamp is a free online editor with no limit on the number of videos and no watermark. It is a drag and drop editor, so it is very easy to use. Step 4 is how to get the most out of your videos. There are 4 things that you can do, even as a newbie, that are going to help you get faster results. They are your tags, title, thumbnails, and analytics. Tags are the keywords that people use when searching for the kind of content that you share in your video. The free Chrome extension is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a suite of tools that will help you with your videos. What you will love about TubeBuddy is that JWord EasyExplorer does all the work regrading your tags. All you do is type in the keyword phrase and TubeBuddy will evaluate the keyword strength, the search, and the competition, to give you an overall score. Find keywords that score in the green and you will be fine. Be sure to include tags in the tag section, in your description and the most popular ones in your title. Your title needs to grab attention and create interest. So take time to create compelling titles. Thumbnails are so powerful. Thumbnails are visual and we are visual creatures. So also create thumbnails that grab attention and make people want to check out your video. Your analytics are going to tell you how things are performing. When a video is performing, do more of it. A couple of guidelines or goals that will help you are viewer retention, viewer duration, and click-through rate or CTR. A CTR for your thumbnail of about 6% or more is a good target. Video retention of 50% or more is also a good number. If you like this video, so far. If you are finding value in this video, give it a big thumbs up, turn the like button black. Do that right now, thank you. If you like this kind of content, join this channel. Hit the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, and ring the bell, so that Mr. P can let you know every time a new video is posted. Back to our video. Step 5 is posting your videos. Posting at least one video per week is about the least that you should post. Posting a video a day is a good way to grow your channel. Posting consistently is a must. Whether you post once a day or once a week, be consistent. Step 6 is monetizing your channel. In order to monetize your channel, you need a subscriber base of 1,000 and you need 4,000 hours or more of watch time in the last 12 months. As soon as your channel reaches this benchmark, you can apply to become a YouTube partner. As a YouTube partner, you will be able to share in the ad revenue. YouTube will place ads on your videos and you will get paid. As mentioned, the average rate is between $3 and $5 per 1,000 views. This brings us to your bonuses. There is not just one, there are 3. Your first bonus is Mr. P's #1 recommendation for making money online as quickly as possible. It is fast-track training that will empower you to be able to make as much as $10,000 a month or more in the next 3 to 4 months. You will find a link in the description, where it says start here. Click the link and Mr. P will send you the details. Bonus number 2 is about sharing your video. As a way to gain more exposure, which, of course, means more views and more subscribers, every time you post a video, you want to share your video, typically with some of the social media sites. You will find a share button below your video. Click on the button and you can immediately share your video on sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Join several of the social sites, and remember to make sharing your video a habit. Bonus 3 is free training on how to create faceless videos and how to maximize your benefits. It is a step-by-step training series. If you are not creating videos, this training is for you. You are going to be pleasantly surprised to find that video creation is really easy. There are tools that will do just about all the work, and all the tools, all the training and all the resources are free. Allow me to wish you much success. Mr. P and I are rooting for you. If you have not hit the like button yet, please do not forget, and allow me to invite you, once again, to join this channel so you do not miss any videos. Thank you for watching. Watch this next.